All right, guys, so we're back down in the shop. Today's Monday. Brad came down here yesterday, picked it up a little bit, moved the car over to where he could do some sheet metal work. Got the sheet metal table going together. So we're gonna get started on this tonight. Still gotta order a nose, but other than that, we should have everything we need to get started. So that's what we're gonna work on tonight. And then here is the body that he's going to trace out, what we're gonna use again. So this is that one. So that's gonna be the templates for the left side. So that's where they're at. They're looking at the fire suppression system. They moved it. No, they're just inspecting something there. But it shouldn't, honestly, the body shouldn't take terribly long because it's, we got stacked for the right side, so all he's got to do is a left side. He's got to do fenders, fender tops, fender sides, and then he actually got the stacked filler panel too. So should be fairly easy. We just got to get a nose ordered. So hopefully we'll be able to order a nose in the next couple of days, so we can get that here and get this body finished up. Brandon Boyd at BB Designs will be doing our wrap again. He's done our wrap for 3 years now, 3 or 4 years. He does all of our graphics. He does our logos. He does a lot of our flyers. I'll do one every now and then. He does all of our decals for our race cars. He did that warp speed up there. He's done a lot of our graphics. So most of the stuff you see around here, Brandon Boyd at BB Designs has done it. So if you guys are in the market for a wrap or needing a logo designed or anything like that, contact our guy, BB Designs on Facebook, or you can reach out to him, Brandon Boyd. He's on Facebook as well. You can reach out to either one of those accounts and he'll take care of you. But we're hoping to get this body somewhat finished up. This weekend we've got the show in Knoxville, the Outside the Groove Racing show in Knoxville, Tennessee. I think it starts at 4 o'clock on Friday. So we're gonna go to that. We weren't able to go to the Hickory show like we had wanted to because of weather, because of the snow. It didn't make any sense. We were scared, and then it ended up being nothing. But anyway, or we weren't scared. Brad didn't care. He was like, let's go. And I was like, I don't know about that. So anyway, that's where we this Friday. So if you're out at the show in Knoxville, Outside the Groove, stop us, speak to us if you see us. But yeah, that's the plans for this week. Get a body on and be there Friday. Alright guys, so like I said, here is him starting to trace out the quarter panel. Getting started. And then Chris is working on the fire suppression system. Alright, so Chris is still working in here on the fire suppression system. Brad's working on the quarter panel still. He's got it cut out. You saw him tracing it a minute ago. Now he's got it cut all out. Now he's just got to hem it. All the good stuff here. So that's where we're at on the body. Thankfully, sheet metal wise, he's only got right side door, quarter, and fenders on both sides. So don't have a whole lot of sheet metal because we got plastic on. I meant left side. Sorry, left side. Right side is plastic, is the stacked stuff. All right, guys. So the guys got this quarter panel finished. I showed you him marking it out to him. They got it hemmed, and now they're working on the door. So here's that process. Okay, I'm gonna set it up on time lapse so you can watch this in real time, and watch how they work on this.
So there's the driver door, driver quarter. I guess you can see the new colors now, partly. So we got half of it done. I guess this is the telltale sign, realistically, though, is these stack panels over here. These are capital specific stack panels.
What color are we gonna be?
Yeah, take a pick. What color? What's our color scheme this year? YouTube. So.
Like on one side, one on the other.
Oh boy. Well, good thing it's plastic. There's the stack panels. You can see the side skirting down there. There's a box in here somewhere. It's got a brand new spoiler in it. Black spoiler. And of course, white nose. We also, I don't know if Dallas showed you or not, but we also got the stack filler panel. Right there. That you cut and trim yourself. So we got that. And if you're interested in getting any of that, you can call your boy Hunter Kennedy at PPM Racing Products. That's where we picked all that up from. Get a hold of him and he can get you hooked up with the stack stuff or the sheet metal. That's where we got our sheet metal from. Like I said, we got black over here for right now anyways. I'll go ahead and tell you, I just like having black on the inside of the car. So it was easier and cheaper to just get black on black versus trying to find white on black and all that. So just a little bit less of a headache, at least for me anyways. Brandon's a different story, but we'll let him tell you about that when he comes to deal with that problem. So anyways, that's gonna wrap us up for tonight. We appreciate you watching. Thanks to all of our partners, Warp Speed Performance Parts, WJI Enterprise, Fatdaddys Crew out of Lafayette, Barry Apparel Co, BB Designs, Penske Shocks, Gorsuch Performance, Stop Tech Brakes. All you guys over here on YouTube, hit that subscribe, share, like button. PPM Racing Products, forgot them the other night in the video, and almost forgot him again. Sorry, Hunter. Gonna be picking up some American racers from him this weekend. So if you're in the market for some American racers, give Hunter a call there as well. I forgot to mention that the other day, but he does have some American racers ordered to start the year off with. And is that the only announcements? Oh yeah, head over to Patreon. That guessing game is still running. Of course, you can obviously take 3 of them out because you know the color of the car right now. So head over there and make a guess and get your picks in. And we'll catch you guys probably back out here tomorrow night. We'll see you.